Yo, what's up, guys? I know what you're thinking. He's back on the BMW. But this time I have a reasoning for being on the BMW. Behind me, right there, is my friend, and he wants to learn to ride a motorcycle. So I thought, why not, since he's learning how to ride a motorcycle, there's gonna be other people that want to know how to ride a motorcycle. So why not make a quick little how-to video? So if you're trying to learn how to ride, you can get some ideas, maybe learn some tips, some things you didn't know, and you know, maybe learn something new. So right now we are on our way to a parking lot, the parking lot we always go to, but my road is fucking closed, so that sucks dick. That was my friend Sam. Hi Sam, if you're watching this. Yeah, the parking lot right in front of us, but we can't just go right to it because our fucking road is closed. Hopefully it's empty, and like I said, he's never ridden a motorcycle before, so I'm gonna start from the beginning and go up. There is a car there, but I don't think it's a cop. As long as it's not a cop, I don't give a fuck. I don't care, because, you know, cops will just bug you about everything. So we'll see if we can go in there, and if somebody's in there, in the car, then we'll go to a different parking lot, but I don't think I see anybody in there. Yeah, there's nobody in there, so I think we're just gonna stick to here, and I'll pull out a little surprise for you guys that you don't know yet, and you'll see it in just a second. Okay, so here's the bike. Little surprise, little bonus clip. This is my new GoPro. I bought a new GoPro. Here's my old one. The only reason I haven't filmed moto vlogs with this one is because I don't have the mic thing. That's besides the point. You're here to learn how to ride a motorcycle, so I'm gonna teach you. Okay, so if you're starting from beginner, okay? Number one, this is your kill switch. This can be your friend, okay? This can be your friend if you're freaking out or scared or whatever. This immediately cuts power to all the motorcycle. Here's your start button. Your throttle is on this side. This is your front brake, right? Front brake. And then this is your clutch. Okay, this is what most people are scared of right here, is this guy, your clutch. But I promise there's nothing to be scared of about it. On the floor here on your left side with your clutch, this is your gear selector. Okay, it's kind of dark, but right there is your gear selector. This is what you use to select your gears. On the other side, on your right foot, this is your rear brake. That is what you use to stop your rear wheel. All right, so now for your controls, like I already mentioned, your kill switch and your start button. On this side, on this bike, this is a 2018 BMW G310R, okay? It's a perfect learner bike, and that's why he's gonna learn on this bike. Okay, on this side, you have your passing lights. So when you're passing somebody, it's like a little trigger. You click them and it flashes your lights. Here's your brights switch, your blinker, and your horn. And then here in the middle is where your dash would be, is. So on this bike, it's hard to see, but it's got ABS, all the good stuff. It's got a gear indicator, it's got a speedometer, everything's digital on this thing, right?
Hey, it's me. You're watching this video, and I hope you're enjoying it so far, and I hope it's helping you if you don't know how to ride or not. But one clip, a really important clip, didn't make it in because for some reason it just wasn't on my GoPro. What I want you to do before you start shifting gears is don't even use the throttle. Just slowly let the clutch out and find that friction zone, they call it. It's very important. They pound it in your head. But don't even use the throttle. Just slowly let out your clutch until you're moving. You can move the whole bike and ride around without even using the throttle. So before you try shifting, try that first and get used to that. Okay, so now in this clip, because I explained it, but of course it didn't make it. Now in this clip, my friend Josh, since you know, he's like an example of what you do, because he's never ridden before. So he's showing you what to kind of do to get used to it firsthand, because he's never done it. So follow what he does and just cruise around the parking lot in first gear, get used to controlling that thing at slow speeds, okay?
So he just watched me do all of that, so now he's gonna put it into action. I know we're kind of right here next to a turn, so I want you to kind of, if you feel more comfortable turning left or right.
Probably this way.
Right?
Yeah, I'll probably go this way.
That way and slow for the car. Just kind of come back down and cruise in first gear, okay?
Oh. Right.
You have to hold the clutch in. You have to pull it. Yep.
Yep.
Okay, clutch always in. Okay,
All right.
We're ready to go.
Okay, so as you can see, he's going slow, he's controlling it, and always remember, look where you want to go, so you can see his head is turning where he wants to go. Don't hyper-focus in one direction, right? Because when you do that, you will go that direction. So as long as you're looking where you want to go, take your time. Just nobody's rushing you. You do this on your own time. There's no rush to do anything in a hurry. So do it right and just be slow, controlled, and hang in first gear as long as you want to.
Okay, so now that you're used to first gear, we had to take a little hiatus. There was a cop watching us. Now that you're used to doing this in first gear, and I mean do this for a while, don't feel pressure about going fast, okay? Just don't. See, I'm going downhill. I'm going to just clutch in a little bit so the engine doesn't work too hard because I'm not going to shift yet. I'll show you how to do that. So we're not going to worry about shifting yet, right? I want you to just cruise around in first gear. Nobody's rushing you. Take your time. Do this for however long you feel comfortable. And when you're ready to go up into second gear, okay, I'm going to explain it to you. It's clutch in, roll off, and click up, okay? So let me do that for you, okay? Watch. So we're riding, oh, we need to shift, clutch in, throttle off, click up, and go. And then just let out again. And now you're chilling in second gear, okay? Let me slow down a little bit here. Okay, now I'm slowing back down, so I'm going to go to first gear. Click down into first. Okay, that's downshifting. We'll worry about that later. So one more time. Here we go. Okay, shift up, clutch in, roll off, click up, and come back on. Just do that in your head. Clutch in, roll off, click. Okay? Here we go. One more time. Pay attention, all right? Here we go. So we're going. I'm actually going to go uphill because it'll make it a little bit easier. So we're going to turn around, make sure you look where you want to go. So we're looking over here, and we're going to go that way, okay? So here we go. Get up to speed. Okay. Clutch in, roll off, click up. Boom, just like that. And look, as you can see, we're in second gear. And that's all the way up to 6, okay? Let's see, it's gonna bog the motor down, but if you wanna go into third, same thing. Clutch in, roll off, click up. Now we're in third gear, okay? That's exactly what I want you to do. And just take time learning that. And then we'll start to get into some more different maneuvers. So now I'm gonna have Josh, the person learning how to ride, show him attempting to shift up. When you feel comfortable, shift up into second. Clutch in, roll off, click up, okay?
Yep.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Oh, I knew that was coming. Come on, baby. Alright, get it turned around.
Okay, so here's me just going around the parking lot, showing you, what a good pace is, what to do. Nobody's rushing you. That's the number one thing, is there's no pressure. Nobody's rushing you. Take your own time. Do it at your own time. You can see I'm swerving back and forth here. Just get used to the feeling of the motorcycle. Get used to the feeling of what it's going to feel like. And bike control is the biggest part of any motorcycle is having bike control. So make sure you have that bike dialed.
What's up, RoboCop?
Neutral is a pain in my ass.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I hope this video helped you learn how to ride a motorcycle. Remember, start small. Smaller is better in a lot of occasions, ladies. Listen, start small, build up. I can do a different video with my big bike, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped you. If you like, please leave a like, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.
You thought I wasn't going to hit a bonus clip?